Want to start blogging on your Squarespace site? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add a blog post step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account. Click Login, and if you're signed into Google already, just choose Continue with Google for faster access. Once you're in, select the website where you want to add your blog post. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages, then click on your blog page. Here, you'll see all your existing posts. To add a new one, click the plus icon at the top. A blank post will open. This is where the fun begins. Add your title, write your content, and upload any images or media you'd like. Squarespace's editor makes formatting super simple. When you're happy with your post, just click Publish, and your blog is live. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog post to your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials.